In the metals quadrant, taking a look at a rally in the March gold futures contract. Gold rallied today, completing 6 sessions higher in the last 8 for a total move higher of about 3.75%. Gold also closed its 4th consecutive week higher, resulting in a total gain of about 5.6%. The high today, 27.9480, that was up 1.08%. The low, 27.61 even, that was only down 14 basis points, and with a little bit of time left in the session, we're still up a little bit more than 0.5%. Manufacturing PMIs today in Germany, the UK, the EU, and the US were all stronger than expected. The only miss in that batch of PMI data was U.S. services PMI, which came in at 52.8. That was lower than expected, but still in expansion territory. However, U.S. manufacturing jumped into expansion territory, and while Germany, EU, and the UK manufacturing PMIs all stayed in contraction territory, they were larger than expected and larger than their last read, and the composite PMI in the Eurozone and the UK went into expansion territory. This gave a little bit of a push to a reflation narrative, which is bullish for gold when rates are not expected to drop dramatically, and they're not. Next week we have an FOMC meeting, and no change in policy is expected from the FOMC, but commentary may actually move markets. Currently, the CME Fed Watch tool still has the only rate cut for this year happening in June, and the probability has been rising slightly over the last 3 weeks. All of this is a slight tailwind for gold because it's kind of a mixed bag in terms of the fundamental story. Also, stocks fell today, so we had a little bit of the sell-off of risk assets. Also tends to be a tailwind for gold.